Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the how we are going to check the RAM size. So we are going to enter fee minus h. So it will show you your memory is totally 15 GB, used 15 GI, used 15, free 6.4, shared, buff cache available, swap memories, how much this is will tell you about your memory, right? So you can check the size of the RAM. I can also show you about in my about configuration settings, and let's go to cancel about. So it will give you again, this is memory is 15.5, right? See, and you will see that the same things happen here. So you can also as free minus G also. So memory total is 15, used how much 6. So everything is, it is calculating and give you the things, right? So so this is how you can check the memory. And the way that there are other methods, but this is the Linux methods. So you can check how memory that they are using. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.